So I finally bought the Cricut Easypress Mini. I bought this just to label my clothing because I am coming out with a apparel, things like that in the future, so look out for that. But what I'm going to be using this for now is I'm going to use it to label my bags, these small drawstring bags that I put in my packaging. So I like to label them with my business name on it, so that's what I will be using this for. So labeling these small drawstring bags, as well as labeling, like putting the tag in the back, like with vinyl. So guys, I finally bought this and I'm very happy about it. I've never used it before, but today we'll see how it goes. I am also saving for the big Cricut Easypress machine as well. I think that's a 12 by 20. I'll put a picture right here so you see what I'm talking about. But I bought it, but I didn't buy the heat press mat that it came with, so I will be using a pillowcase because I've seen people using pillowcase, but I will be buying the smaller version of the heat press heat resistant mat from Cricut. So I'll leave a link below for this in the description bar. I did buy this with my own money. I'm not getting sponsored for this video, but I'm testing it out and I'm going to let you know what I think of it, how it works, how it feels, and all that jazz. But I will be plugging this directly into the socket rather than using an extension because I think these things are very powerful. See, mini but mighty. So yeah, as I said before, I'm going to buy the big Cricut Easypress machine. My mom have those heat press, those heavy duty heat press, but to me it's very overpowering. I'm not ready to use those. Whenever I'm using it, it's just too much for me, so I'm just going to work my way up from the Cricut Easypress, and then I might consider using the heavy duty one. So yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate to you. I've already went ahead right here and I've already made my logo using the Cricut machine. What I need to do now is just to weed out these ones, and then we can get into pressing these, and let's see how this works, if I've made the right choice, stuff like that. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel so far, and remember, you don't have to support by buying, but you can support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we are finished weeding. I had a problem weeding the very small letters. I'm considering maybe using different fonts for the official in my logo, but I do recommend that whenever you are making logos and stuff like that, and if you're using vinyl, use bigger letters. It's much easier and less tedious. So that's the problem that I have with my logo, and when it comes on to vinyl and reading, and it's very tedious because of the small writing. So do consider that when you're making logos, you need bold and letters that are able to weed properly. But if it's not vinyl, it's okay, but if it's vinyl, it's gonna be very, very tedious. I always use black vinyl on this drawstring bag, but I'm going to see how white would look on it. This vinyl is it the Caesar Easyweed, I think it's called Caesar Easyweed. I think that's the vinyl. I love using it. It's very soft. I bought this vinyl from Amazon as well, so I'll leave a link to that below if you'd like to check it out. So yeah, so these drawstring bag, as I said before, they are from Amazon as well. I bought about 30 of them, came in this pack. Yeah, I use them in the packaging process, so this is like a gift when it comes onto my packaging. So right now, let's open. Should we open this? Should we open this? Yeah, so I'm just worried about the cable being too short and it won't reach the socket. So let's unbox this. This is what. So it's like a iron, but what makes it different from an iron is that it doesn't have the holes in the bottom, or the steam holes in the bottom. People use irons, but the heat is not distributed equally throughout the iron, so that's why this would be a better option to use. I think it goes in here, and it comes just like that. Got the safety instructions. Yeah, this is like the warranty. Let's get started. Okay, we've got these instructions. Let's get started. Get to know your Cricut Easypress Mini. Power, heat, setting, press the cycle, warming, reach set temperature. So we'll be using this as a guide because, you know, I'm new to this. So excited. Okay, so the cable is definitely not going to reach where I want it to reach. Right now I'm going to try to move things around so I can get access to the socket on the wall rather than the extension. So I'll be right back. So it says first I need to press this button right here. Yep, so you can see that red button blinking. Okay, so I think I need to press it each time I want it to be on a level. I need to press it so it's already heated up. That's the green down here means that it's on the low temperature. If I press it again, it will be on its medium temperature, but that's when it's turned green, but it's warming up at the moment. Meanwhile, that's warming up right there. I hope you can see. So yep, so right now it's hot. It's ready on the medium temperature, but if I should put it on the high temperature now, that means it's warming up. It's not ready as yet, but once it turns green, then it's ready to use. It's reached its full temperature like that. So the instruction is there. I think I would start off with the medium heat at the moment. So yeah, it's at the high temperature and it's ready to be used right now. But I'm just going to turn it off quickly and I'm just going to use the medium because I'm not sure how hot it's going to be. This is my pillowcase. I'm just going to fold it in off. Just going to fold it right here. And we've got our... This bag is so lovely. I absolutely love this drawstring bag. Yeah, just like that. So it's warming up right now, and always keep it in this container right there. But I will be buying the heat mat. They've got 3 different sizes of the heat mat. I will be buying the small one and also the large one because it makes sense, as I am going to buy the large 12 by 10 Easypress machine. So yeah, I'm just going to demonstrate. I'm just going to do 3 of these, just 3. It's it's heating up. And it's ready, it's ready, it's ready. I think I should lint roll it as well, so I'm going for a lint roller so I can use that. I'm just going to, you know, any fibers or whatnot. Then I need to heat the garment first. Let's test it now to see how hot. I don't think it's hot enough. I'm going to turn it up and I'm going to wait again, and then I'll use it because it's, to me, it's not hot enough. Just if you are using the heavy duty Easypress machine, you'd need to use a Teflon paper, but because I'm not, I don't need to use that, so I'm just going to line it up now. I don't have a heat resistant tape, so what I'll do is I'll just I think with this one you're allowed to move around with it. And it's warm peel. This is lovely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other one. Oh, I think after I've done that, I should also turn it over and just do it on the back as well. I read that instruction when I was researching about this and see what people thought of it. So yeah, so let's do that. Hey, let's do this one now. Once again, I'm going to this end here. This is our result. Have a look. I absolutely love these. This was very easy to use. I love how the Caesar vinyl feels on it as well. Let's get a close up. Close up. This is lovely. I love how it looks. I was going to do the other one as well, but I'm going to do the other one as a TikTok video so I can have content for my TikTok page and my Instagram page. So I leave this one to make a TikTok video. You know, you got to do everything, marketing, social media and everything like that. So yeah, I really love how these turn out. It was very easy. I love how this works. Yeah, God, which color do you rather? Do you rather the black or the white? I might just do both just to give my business a little bit of variety. So I'll do the black and I'll also do the white as well, but the black, you can see the black more, but the white also look clean as well. So I'll be sticking with both. I really love this. The Caesar Easy Weed vinyl. I love them. It's easy to weed. And as I said before about logos, creating your logos, I know that everyone wants stylish stuff, but when it comes on to weeding, it's not really ideal because of those small letters. I do recommend it. I love to use it, but let's see how long it lasts. That's what I want to see. Let's see how long the logos will last. I'm trying to see if it's going nowhere. Imagine when my brand is finished trademarking and I'm ready to market it, and I can make my own logos and also label my own clothing. That would be so good. I am so over the moon, people. I like how this feels. I can do it in my room. I don't have to go anywhere to do this. This one is a good place to start with if you're buying the heat press, because I'm going to be working from my room. I've got limited space at the moment, so the heavy duty heat press is not really ideal for me at the moment, so I'm just taking baby steps. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to support this channel, support my business. You don't have to support by buying, but you can support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.